Honorable Sports Minister was in her element recently, striking all the right notes, making all the right promises, and saying all the right things. The lighting problems at the National Stadium will be addressed. There will be a framework of cooperation with the United Kingdom, with feasibility studies, with the use of these facilities to ensure social and economic development, and blah, blah, blah. And of course, there will be a massive groundbreaking and picture-taking opportunity when all of this is done. No, you know, one of the things I've learned along the way is that it is true. Say, mouth really cut crossway and make me say anything. And we're not saying the minister is making wild promises, but let me put it this way. While we await the execution of all of these projects, a word of advice to all well-thinking Jamaicans and all sports fans and stakeholders. Please do not hold on the breath. Yes. Don't hold on the breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. But don't hold on the breath. Don't.